The big movers, IDBI Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, anyone you pick actually, South Indian Bank, all up anywhere between 2 to 4%. But the Shriram Group has formally announced the structure of the merged entity yesterday. As is known, the promoter company Shriram Capital and the SME lender Shriram City Union were merged into the group's flagship Shriram Transport effective April. Lata caught up with Vyas Chakravarti, the MD and CEO of Shriram City Union Finance, and Umesh Revankar, the Vice Chairman and MD of Shriram Transport Finance, began by asking their respective roles in the merged entity. Listen in.
Day-to-day running of a business and business management will be done by Mr. Chakravarti. I'll be looking to a broader objective of a long-term prospect of the company, business strategies and building synergy. So that is to be the role. So even otherwise we will be we're talking to each other wherever needed.
Okay. Mr. Chakravarti, okay, so you will be the operational guy. Can you tell us when will it be listed? When will the listed Shriram Transport share reflect the merger? Is it in a week or two?
Actually 2 weeks. That's why you're pushing for, probably mid of December.
Okay. And if you can tell us what will be the merger cost, Mr. Chakravarti? I mean, things like duties, etc., and other costs. How much did it cost the group?
So it's actually the stamp duties have costed us about 200 crores odd.
Okay.
And the total cost of the merger would be about between 400 to 500 crores.
Mr. Revankar, you know, I have an operational question. I can understand that when you all merge, there will be the guys who were selling in Shriram City Union, their gold loans and SMEs will continue to do that. Those who sold CV loans will continue to do that. But at the upper echelons, there have to be people who know both businesses. How does that triangle work? Are you all sure that it will bring synergy benefits?
Yeah, what we have done, in fact, is we have 5 joint managing directors in a respective geography who have known both the businesses to some extent, and even otherwise they are in the business for more than 25 years to understand the overall needed requirement of operational skills that is required. And we are also working for nearly 1 year now, and we have been talking for nearly 3 years. So it has got into our, I should say, blood that we should be doing multiple product and multiple services to the customer. And we believe that increasingly the customers are also getting exposed to multiple products. No more that customer is just focused on single product, and he also has multiple requirements. So we feel that with this merger we'll be able to meet his requirement on all his requirement or all his needs on all his services.
Okay. Mr. Chakravarti, do you see any immediate benefits, synergy benefits that will flow? I mean in terms of growth or margins or pace of growth?
See, the immediate benefits, what I'm looking at is our ability to increase our penetration of SME loans and also increase in gold loan branches where we can actually leverage on the network of Shriram Transport Finance's branches and the experience of that team. So these are the 2 products that we see that we should be able to push.
Okay. You know, there was your NIMs didn't show much difference. I mean, Shriram Transports, that is, in the quarter gone by. But there were some people who were saying the calculated NIM had fallen a bit. How do you see the net interest margins in the current and next quarter, Mr. Chakravarti? That's a more immediate question because, you know, money is getting expensive.
I'm sorry?
Will your margins get crunched because the cost of capital is rising?
No, Lata, we don't think so. And we are in a position to absorb another 25-30 bips of increase. So, and without increasing our cost, number one. Number two, without compromising on our NIMs also. So hopefully, we are pretty confident that the next 2 quarters we'll be able to hold on to whatever the NIMs that we have been able to, show for the September quarter.
Well, time to slip into a short break, but on the other side, we'll shift focus to the commodity segment. Manish